open up your mind to see like me. You open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart, you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. Yes, our time is short. This'll not wait. I'm yours.
What are you doing around here?
We just had a gig across the street.
At the Goodfoot?
That's the one.
How'd it go?
It went.
I see.
You were right. This is fun.
See? Aren't you glad you came? What's up?
Nothing. My night just really turned around, so. Thank you.
I'm really glad you came. So what's next?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I asked you first.
Okay, well, I guess I could get your phone number and then maybe sometime.
Look, I think you
No,
are...
I understand. You leave in the morning. It's just this felt really good.
It did. It does. How can I make you smile again? But it was really great meeting you.
Thank you for tonight.
Don't mention it.